we are the market leader for EV trucks and vans. And we know those customers better than anyone.
The CEO of Ford has just introduced a game-changing new engine that's set to shake up the electric vehicle world. With claims of unmatched efficiency and performance, this innovation has the potential to completely transform transportation as we know it. The implications are huge, as it challenges the very core of the EV industry. What are the specifics of this revolutionary development, and what does it mean for the future of automotive technology? Join us as we explore Ford's new engine that will destroy the entire EV industry. Ford's long legacy of power. Ford's journey in crafting powerful engines is a captivating tale of innovation and performance, stretching from the thunderous roar of the first V8 engine to the new marvels of modern engineering. Since 1932, Ford has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's achievable under the hood. It all began with the introduction of the flathead V8 engine in 1932, which changed the automotive industry by providing affordable power for the masses. This engine became a dream for hot rodders, sparking a culture of speed and performance that continues to thrive today. In the 1960s, Ford further solidified its reputation for performance with the development of the overhead cam engine. However, it was the muscle car era that truly showcased Ford's prowess, with the iconic Mustang leading the charge. Equipped with potent engines like the Cobra Jet and Boss V8S, the Mustang became an enduring symbol of American power. Fast forward to the 21st century, and Ford's dedication to power and efficiency remains unwavering. The introduction of the EcoBoost engine series, featuring advanced turbocharging technology, ushered in a new era of performance. Take, for example, the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, proof of Ford's engineering prowess. With a staggering 660 horsepower and a specific power output of 188.5 horsepower, it exemplifies Ford's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. The Ford supercharged Predator V8 engine, a masterpiece of engineering, stands proudly at the summit of automotive power and performance. In a world where electric vehicles dominate the conversation, this engine boldly challenges their supremacy with its breathtaking capabilities. It shines as a jewel in the crown of Ford's engineering excellence, reshaping our expectations of internal combustion engines in the age of electrification. With a staggering displacement of 5.2 liters, the Predator V8 is not just any engine, it is the beating heart of Ford's most formidable vehicles. Bursting with power and poised to unleash a torrent of performance at a moment's notice, this engine is a force to be reckoned with. Its supercharger, a key component of its engineering marvel, elevates the engine's output to unprecedented levels, delivering an awe-inspiring 760 horsepower. This monumental figure isn't merely a statistic, it symbolizes the peak of automotive engineering, making the Predator V8 the most powerful engine ever crafted by Ford. But it's not just about raw power. Torque, the measure of an engine's ability to do work, is another area where the Predator V8 excels. With 625 pound-feet of torque on tap, this engine doesn't just accelerate vehicles, it propels them forward with a force that can only be described as relentless. This vast reserve of torque ensures that power delivery is not only explosive, but also incredibly smooth, providing a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. The engine's bore and stroke undergo careful optimization for top-notch performance. The bore measures precisely at 3.7 inches, while the stroke extends to 3.661 inches. These dimensions strike a perfect balance between high revs and instant power delivery, ensuring the engine responds eagerly to the driver's commands. This careful tuning results in an economy that delivers power with ease, despite the complexity of the technology involved. The supercharger, a masterpiece of engineering, compresses air with ruthless efficiency before feeding it into the engine's combustion chambers. This process significantly increases the air charge's density, allowing the engine to burn more fuel and generate more power. The supercharger's design minimizes lag, providing an uninterrupted flow of power that makes the Predator V8 feel unstoppable. The engine's fuel system is equally impressive, utilizing direct injection technology to deliver fuel directly into the combustion chambers with pinpoint accuracy. This method enhances the engine's efficiency, ensuring that every drop of fuel contributes to power production. The result is an engine that not only delivers a breathtaking performance, but also maintains remarkable efficiency for its power output. The Predator V8's dual overhead camshaft configuration further underscores its performance credentials. This design allows for precise valve timing, optimizing the engine's breathing and enhancing its power output even further. The camshafts of the Predator V8 engine are driven by a chain system, ensuring reliability and durability even under extreme conditions of high-performance driving. Cooling is crucial for such a powerful engine like the Predator V8, and Ford has spared no effort in ensuring it operates within the optimal temperature range. Predator V8's advanced cooling system. The cooling system of the Ford supercharged Predator V8 engine is a marvel of engineering, designed to maintain optimal temperatures even under the most demanding conditions. It employs a sophisticated cooling mechanism that allows it to rival the performance of electric vehicles, establishing its dominance as one of the most powerful engines ever built. At the heart of the cooling system lies the fail-safe engine cooling system, an innovative feature designed to protect the engine in case of coolant loss. If the engine begins to overheat, half of the cylinders are converted into air pumps, effectively cooling the remaining cylinders and ensuring the engine's safety until proper service can be administered. The engine's dual overhead camshafts play a crucial role in enhancing its cooling efficiency. These components play a crucial role in maintaining the engine's extraordinary performance. The aluminum cylinder heads facilitate increased airflow through the cylinder heads, which is essential for keeping operating temperatures low. Additionally, they reduce weight and improve cooling efficiency. Aiding the cooling process is a bar plate-style intercooler, which excels in high heat conditions by transferring heat effectively without losing efficiency. It's a critical part of the supercharger system, ensuring that the charged air entering the combustion chambers remains as cool as possible, vital for maintaining peak engine performance. At the heart of this powerful engine is a cast iron block with steel sleeves, providing a solid foundation for the immense forces it encounters. This robust core is complemented by forged aluminum pistons, which are both strong and lightweight, allowing for rapid movement with minimal resistance. These pistons are coated with an anti-friction material called graphol, reducing wear and tear and ensuring consistent performance over time. The use of forged steel connecting rods adds another layer of durability and resilience, enabling the engine to handle the incredible power it generates without faltering. Lastly, the Predator engine's cast aluminum wet sump oil pan efficiently manages the lubrication needs of such a high-performance engine. The lubrication system ensures that every moving part receives adequate oiling, reducing friction and the risk of overheating. Another innovative feature is the hollow stem intake valves, which contribute to the engine's ability to breathe freely and perform optimally. The 92mm throttle body serves as a gateway for power, allowing a significant volume of air to flow into the engine. This airflow is essential for generating the explosive energy that the Predator engine is renowned for. The plasma transfer wire arc spray technique used on the cylinders is a new method that enhances their durability, ensuring they can withstand the intense heat and pressure of combustion. The cast aluminum cylinder head is a masterpiece, housing the complex valve train and enabling efficient airflow in and out of the combustion chambers. The chain-driven camshaft is meticulously calibrated to control the timing of the valves, ensuring each engine cycle is executed with precision. The materials used in the Predator V8 engine are carefully chosen to create harmony between power and efficiency, durability, and performance. An example of this is the copper-lead bearings, selected for their resilience and ability to endure the demands of high-speed operation. The addition of a fourth layer of steel on the head gaskets provides extra security against the immense pressures generated within the engine. Every material chosen for the Predator V8 engine has been carefully selected to enhance its overall performance. While electric vehicles are known for producing no tailpipe emissions, the Predator V8 engine boasts a sophisticated emissions control system, harmonizing power and clean for exceptional performance. At the heart of the Predator V8 emissions control system is a state-of-the-art 30,000 psi fuel pressure common rail system. This system can deliver up to 5 precise injection pulses per combustion cycle, ensuring optimal fuel atomization and combustion efficiency. The result is a significant reduction in unburned hydrocarbons and a boost in performance. But the innovation doesn't end there. The Predator engine also features a cooled exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) system. This system recirculates a portion of the exhaust gases back into the engine's intake, lowering combustion temperatures and consequently reducing nitrogen oxide emissions. This process is crucial for meeting stringent emission standards without compromising the engine's powerful output. Selective catalytic reduction (SCR) is another critical component of the Predator's emissions control arsenal. This system further reduces harmful emissions, ensuring that the Predator V8 engine meets environmental regulations while still delivering its impressive performance. The SCR system in the Predator V8 engine is a remarkable innovation. By injecting a urea-based fluid into the exhaust stream, this system converts harmful nitrogen oxides into harmless nitrogen and water vapor. This transformation takes place in a specially designed catalytic converter, which operates at peak efficiency thanks to the precise control of the engine's advanced management system. Adding to this trio of emissions control is the diesel particulate filter, DPF. Although the Predator is a gasoline engine, the DPF captures and stores soot particles from the exhaust, periodically undergoing a regeneration process to incinerate the accumulated particulate matter and maintain the engine's clean operation. Together, these systems work in harmony to ensure that the supercharged Predator V8 engine not only delivers an exhilarating driving experience, but also respects the environment. It sends a clear message that high-performance engines can also be environmentally conscious. The Predator leads the charge with its impressive power and minimal emissions, setting a new benchmark for automotive performance. It's not just an engine, it's a revolution, redefining the boundaries of speed and sustainability in the automotive industry. The Predator engine boasts an impressive noise control feature that enhances the overall driving experience. This mechanism is like a finely tuned orchestra, with various components working together seamlessly to manage and refine the engine's sound. One standout contributor to this symphony of sound is the engine's supercharger. While it boosts power, it also adds to the unique sound profile of the engine. The roar of the supercharger is music to the ears of automotive enthusiasts, symbolizing the raw power being carefully harnessed and directed. The Predator engine utilizes active noise cancellation technology, which is quite innovative. Microphones strategically placed within the vehicle detect unwanted noise frequencies originating from the engine. These frequencies are then analyzed by an onboard computer system, which generates opposing sound waves through the vehicle's audio system. This anti-phase sound effectively cancels out the noise, reducing its intrusion into the cabin and creating a more refined and enjoyable driving experience. Furthermore, the engine's exhaust system incorporates adaptive valve technology, a smart feature that adjusts the opening and closing of the exhaust valves based on various factors such as driving mode, engine RPM, and throttle input. In quiet mode, the valves close significantly, reducing the engine's roar to a subtle purr, enabling a stealthy and unobtrusive drive. Conversely, in track mode, the valves open up wide, unleashing the full exhilarating potential of the V8's thunderous bellow. Engine mounts also play a vital role in this symphony of silence. Crafted from high-density materials, these mounts effectively absorb and isolate vibrations, ensuring that the tremors from the powertrain do not disturb the peace within the vehicle's interior. The engine's dual overhead camshafts, equipped with variable camshaft timing, further contribute to noise control by optimizing valve opening and closing times. This precise timing not only enhances performance, but also ensures smoother operation, resulting in reduced mechanical noise. Given the immense power generated by the Predator engine, keeping its cooling system in top shape is vital. Regularly monitoring the coolant level, replacing old coolant, and inspecting the radiator and hoses for leaks or damage are paramount tasks. Spark plugs play a crucial role in high-performance engines like the Predators, as they contribute to efficient combustion and power delivery. It's essential to inspect and replace spark plugs at intervals recommended by Ford to ensure optimal engine performance. The engine's ability to breathe is heavily reliant on the air filter. A clean air filter ensures optimal airflow, critical for maintaining the engine's power output. Following Ford's schedule, replace the air filter to keep the engine performing at its best. Regularly maintaining the fuel injectors, pump, and filter ensures the engine receives the precise fuel mixture it needs for explosive power. Periodic inspections by a qualified technician are crucial to catch any potential issues before they escalate into major problems. These regular checks help maintain the Predator engine's reliability and performance over time. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep the Predator V8 engine in peak condition and ready for any challenge. This includes listening for unusual noises, checking for leaks, and feeling for vibrations, which could indicate a need for maintenance. Modern engines like the Predator rely on advanced software to operate efficiently. It's essential to keep the engine's computer updated with the latest firmware from Ford to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. The Predator's drive belt system powers vital components. Regularly inspecting the belts for signs of wear and replacing them as needed is essential to keep everything running smoothly. Maintaining proper valve clearance is vital for the Predator engine's performance. A professional should periodically check and adjust the valve clearances to prevent any loss of performance or potential engine damage. To unleash the full potential of the Predator V8, always use premium-grade fuel. Lower octane fuels can reduce performance and may harm the engine over time. Adhering to Ford's recommended service intervals is crucial. Regular maintenance is key to keeping the Predator V8 in optimal condition, ready to take on any rival, whether electric or otherwise. How does the Predator stack up against other formidable engines crafted by Ford? Exploring Ford's high-performance engine lineup. First up, we have the EcoBoost 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine is a V6 that uses both gasoline, direct injection, and turbocharging. It made its debut back in 2007 under the name Twin Force. The aim was clear: to offer a powerful alternative to large displacement V8 engines like the Coyote-sourced engine. By turbocharging the 3.5-liter V6, Ford sought to match the power and torque of a naturally aspirated 6-liter V8 while consuming less fuel and emitting fewer harmful substances into the air. Since its production began in 2009, this engine has become a staple in Ford vehicles, particularly in their bestseller, the Ford F-150. It's no surprise given that EcoBoost F-150s come with a more affordable price tag without sacrificing performance, unlike V8 F-150s. This popularity stems from the engine's ability to offer power comparable to larger V8 engines while being more fuel efficient. The foundation of the 3.5 EcoBoost engine is the Duratec 35 engine block, also known as the Ford Cyclone V6 engine, boasting the same bore and stroke dimensions. Unlike its predecessors, the EcoBoost block is crafted entirely from lightweight aluminum and features an open-deck design reinforced with high-strength steel sleeves. Inside, it's equipped with sturdy forged steel I-beam, connecting rods, and a forged steel crankshaft, fortified with 6-bolt main-bearing caps for added durability. To ensure efficient combustion, the engine's pistons are made from high-strength aluminum and undergo precision CNC machining. Oil jets located within the cylinder block spray oil onto the underside of the pistons, keeping them cool and resilient. Even the oil pan is crafted from lightweight aluminum, further contributing to the engine's overall performance. Moving up to the cylinder heads, they're constructed from aluminum and boast 4 valves per cylinder, along with pent-roof combustion chambers. Positioned centrally are high-quality iridium spark plugs, ensuring reliable ignition. 2 overhead camshafts control the valve train, with GDI fuel injectors strategically placed below the center of the intake valves. The intake and exhaust valves are sized at 37mm and 31mm respectively, with the valve train featuring polished, solid buckets known as direct-acting mechanical buckets. A primary chain drives the camshafts, with Ford incorporating twin independent variable camshaft timing technology to optimize performance. Notably, the intake camshaft on the driver's side houses an additional lobe responsible for driving a high-pressure fuel pump for the direct fuel injection system, delivering fuel pressures of up to 2,150 psi. The engine's exceptional performance is further enhanced by its turbocharging system. The 3.5 EcoBoost utilizes twin parallel-mounted Borg-Warner Case 03 turbochargers in truck versions, and Garrett GT15 for other applications. These turbochargers, featuring variable vane technology, are designed to spool up quickly, providing peak torque as early as 2,500 revolutions per minute. Impressively, 90% of the engine's peak torque is available between 1,550 and 5,500 revolutions per minute. To support the turbochargers, high-strength cast iron low internal volume exhaust manifolds are employed, ensuring optimal performance under demanding conditions. Once the turbochargers have done their job, the exhaust gases pass through swift catalytic converters to ensure emissions remain minimal, contributing to the engine's overall efficiency. Moreover, the engine is equipped with a range of modern electronic components. These include a coil-on-plug distributorless electronic ignition system, an advanced Bosch engine computer unit, high-precision knock sensors, intake air temperature sensors, manifold absolute pressure sensors, and wideband 02 sensors, among others. These components work together seamlessly to optimize engine performance and efficiency while ensuring precise monitoring and control of various parameters. Next in line is the Trinity 5.6-liter supercharged V8, powering the Ford F-150 Raptor R. This beast churns out an impressive 700 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque, courtesy of its refined technology and design. Derived from the Ford modular V8 family, the Trinity 5.6-liter comes with notable modifications, such as improved cylinder heads, 4 GT camshafts, a 5-layer MLS head gasket, and an over-rev function that boosts the red line to 7,000 rotations per minute for up to 8 seconds. Furthermore, it's supercharged by a potent 2.3-liter TVS unit, capable of delivering up to 14 psi of boost. Coupled with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system, the Trinity 5.6-liter supercharged V8 can conquer any terrain with ease. This engine is not just powerful, but also durable, equipped with stainless steel exhaust manifolds, an advanced oil cooler and filter, and a deeper oil pan to withstand harsh conditions. The Trinity 5.6-liter supercharged V8 isn't just any engine, it's a powerhouse. It propels the F-150 Raptor R from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4 seconds and can reach a top speed of over 160 miles per hour. But its strength lies not just in its speed, but also in its reliability and efficiency. Comparing the three engines, the Predator V8 stands out as the most powerful, responsive, and efficient. It boasts the highest horsepower and torque, the fastest acceleration and top speed, and the best fuel economy. Yet it remains smooth and reliable, a true proof of Ford's engineering prowess. The Predator V8 has earned its place as the king of Ford engines, the ultimate choice for enthusiasts seeking power and performance. With a staggering 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque, it's the most potent production Mustang ever created. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, it delivers lightning-fast acceleration. Whether on the racetrack or the open road, the GT500 shines, showcasing the unrivaled power and performance of the Predator V8 engine. The Ford F-150 Raptor R represents a new era in rugged trucks, designed to dominate the toughest terrains. It's armed with the formidable 5.2-liter supercharged Predator V8 engine, finely tuned to churn out 700 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. This tuning ensures the Raptor R has the necessary low-end power to conquer steep inclines and rugged trails. The F-150 Raptor R is a standout among trucks, especially for its performance. It caused quite a stir by not only reintroducing a V8 engine, but also by bringing back a supercharged V8, elevating it to the top tier of high-performance vehicles. Now, the Ford F-150 Raptor R has undergone some changes. The question is, are these changes the right ones? And is the truck worth its price tag? Let's dive into our new Raptor R and find out. Unleashing the beast. First things first, let's remember this vehicle is fundamentally a truck. When it comes to towing, adding a V8 engine bumps up the capacity by 500 pounds, now hitting a robust 8,700 pounds with the Raptor R. What really sets the limit for a truck like this isn't so much the engine power, but rather the suspension. It's built with a 5-link suspension with a sturdy panhard bar, Speaking of the panhard bar, there's a neat little detail worth noting, a special treat for eagle-eyed enthusiasts. The Raptor R boasts a Dana 60 rear axle with a 4.10 final drive ratio and an electronic locker, accompanied by sizable 3.1-inch diameter Fox adjustable dampers. These dampers are like robust shin guards for your truck, ready to take on any terrain with finesse. Despite Ford's decision to equip this third-generation Raptor with a larger V8 engine, it's surprising to find out that it still weighs in at just 5,960 pounds, boasting a front-to-rear weight distribution of 58 to 42. This makes it a whopping 800 pounds lighter than its rival, the Ram T-Rex. This weight reduction is thanks in part to the generous use of aluminum in the body panels and cab, as well as an aluminum block compared to the cast-iron one in the T-Rex. Moving on to the exhaust system, it's clear that a lot of thought has gone into its design. While the rear section appears to be made of mild aluminum, the mid-pipe is crafted entirely from stainless steel, boasting an impressive dual 76mm diameter piping, equivalent to 3-inch piping for those more familiar with standard measurements. This exhaust setup not only looks robust, but also ensures optimal performance for those seeking the thrill of the ride. Beneath the hood of the latest Raptor R lies a sophisticated 2-speed transfer case, meticulously engineered by BorgWarner exclusively for Ford. This innovative component offers a dynamic range of capabilities, featuring both a standard 1-to-1 ratio in high gear and a formidable 2.64-to-1 ratio in low range. This dual functionality ensures adaptability to a wide array of driving conditions, from smooth highways to rugged off-road terrains. A closer examination reveals the strategic placement of the vapor canister, cleverly positioned above the robust EXO transfer case and shielded by a sturdy skid plate. This thoughtful design not only ensures the protection of vital components, but also provides effective heat insulation, crucial for maintaining optimal performance under demanding conditions. Moreover, the transmission assembly is engineered for accessibility and ease of maintenance. This design element facilitates swift access for routine servicing tasks, enhancing the overall efficiency of maintenance operations. Attention to detail extends to the design of the crossover pipe, which boasts a sleek and unobtrusive profile. Unlike traditional configurations that may protrude beneath the transmission, this pipe is seamlessly integrated, maintaining a flush alignment with the crossmember. Above the transmission assembly, the focal point of the Raptor R's powertrain lies the 1080 10-speed automatic transmission. Co-developed by Ford and General Motors, this transmission has undergone thorough refinement for the supercharged V8 variant. Upgrades include a reinforced 260mm torque converter to handle increased torque loads, along with enhancements to planetary gear sets and other components to ensure optimal performance. These meticulous engineering refinements underscore Ford's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive innovation, delivering a vehicle that excels both on and off the road. At the front end, the Raptor R boasts a sturdy steel upper wishbone knuckle, ensuring robust performance on the road. Paired with the renowned Fox Racing dampers, this setup promises a smooth and controlled ride even on the most challenging terrains. Turning attention to the front anti-sway bar, it's clear that no compromises have been made in terms of durability. Featuring beefy end links, this component measures approximately 30 millimeters in diameter, providing enhanced stability and control during high-speed maneuvers. However, one intriguing aspect worth noting is the absence of a torsion front differential, a feature commonly found in the regular Raptor model. Instead, the Raptor R opts for an electronic locker system, supplemented by brake-based technology to mimic the performance of a traditional differential. This decision may have been influenced by the formidable torque generated by the supercharged V8 engine, suggesting a need for specialized handling mechanisms to accommodate the increased power output. Underneath, sturdy steel plating shields the underside from rough terrain, ensuring the beastly Raptor R can tackle any challenge. The suspension system has been fine-tuned with updated Fox Livewire technology, which constantly adjusts compression and rebound damping for a smoother ride. As we lift the hood, we're greeted by a massive heat extractor, exuding boldness and style. Optional graphics add a personalized touch to the hood and sides, enhancing the Raptor R's distinctive appearance. Among the myriad of options, countless Ford enthusiasts proclaim that the Predator V8 engine stands out as Ford's finest creation yet. What are your thoughts on the new Predator V8 engine? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.